I'm gonna show how to create a Vue project first, and then how to add Tailwind to it. So first, what we have to do is just create a Vue project. For that, we can go to this URL and just copy this comment Vue in it. Yeah, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, like we always do. It will take some time after the project, so let's give it a project name. Let's give it a test. Do we want TypeScript? No JSX. Do we want Vue router? I think I would need that, so I'm just gonna change it to yes, and then no, everything no. Now I'm gonna cd into the project, so cd test. Then I'm gonna open this up by using code space dot. So it opens in a new window. So then I'm gonna go here to the terminal, and now I'm inside the folder, right? So now I'm gonna type npm install. So install all the dependencies for the project. It's gonna take a while. After it's installed, let's like run our thing, and run dev, and it's open on this URL, right? So let's see, it's all here, but we have to let's make everything clean. So let's go to app. So this is where it is, and we don't want the logo. We basically don't want anything that's like not the router view, so let's delete this and delete this, and we don't want any styles too, so let's delete all that too. So basically this is what we have, very minimal, like what it's showing is like what's inside the router. What's inside the router is the home view here. So if we delete this too, we would not have anything. Let's delete that too. Alright, now it's a clean thing. So let's add like a divider. For that, I'm just gonna write .a, and if I press tab, it's gonna make like a divider with a class. So I'm gonna name this divider home, and I'm gonna give it a name home. Is it there? Yeah, it's there. We can have home on the corner. So now let's add Tailwind to it. So what we have to do for Tailwind is, now let's exit out of the terminal by pressing click on the terminal and press Ctrl+C. So we exit. So S, and now how to install Tailwind. For that, I'm going to go to the Tailwind official website, guides white, and I already did that. I made my project, so create a project. So I made my project, then I have to install Tailwind CSS. So I'm just gonna copy this thing by clicking on it, and I'm just gonna paste it. Am I 2 lines? Yes, I want to paste 2 lines. So it's gonna take a while to install. Alright, once it's installed, like now we have this and other comment, then we have to press this, and it will create a file, tailwind config.js. So this is the file. Let's see what they say on the official website. So on tailwind config.js, we have to add this. So I'm just gonna copy this, and let's see, content, Alright, I'm just gonna copy and paste this. I'm just gonna replace this with the whole thing. So it's this. Then I have to make a index.css in source. So here is source, and I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna click on the new file. So it makes a new file. I'm gonna name it index.css. And after that, I'm just gonna copy this and paste this. Then we have to import this thing. So let's say on our main.js profile. So our main.js file is in source, and here is under main.js we have our main.js file. So I'm just gonna copy paste it, import index.css, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We can run our app now. So npm run dev. It's hosted. So we made the home, right? It's on the home view.view. So I think we can just now go and we change the class name. Let's see. Let's give it a text color, alright? I'm pressing Control and space. So then let's give it red. Okay, red 500 looks good. I don't know if you can see it. It's red, and let's change. So let's make it more visible. So let's make it big. Text 5XL. No, it's pretty big. Let's center it. No, let's give it a background color. So let's give it a stale background. It's pretty good. It's looking good. I want to cover the whole screen right now, so I'm just gonna give it a height, and it's gonna be screen. So yeah, that's it. Maybe we can center this. Maybe we can make it white. And we can text center, so it's off center. Yeah, this is pretty good. And maybe I can make it italic too. You can play around with it. If you want to change the font, you can just put like font and I say mono. Yeah, this is a pretty good font. And yeah, inside that, if you want to make another divider, just press dot, and you can just like press that tab, and it's gonna make another one. Let's say welcome, and let's go to this class and just name it text white. But I don't want this to be like really I want to change. I want it to look like a little smaller, so I'm just gonna make it text, and let's see. I'm just gonna give it like SM, so it's just like small. Yeah, it's pretty small. It don't look that good, but like it works, I guess. So yeah, that's how you do it.